Question 14. When a light ray traveling in air enters into a medium of refractive index mu, we are given 4 options, we have to examine that. The frequency of light depends on the source, hence frequency does not change when the ray of light goes from one medium into another. Therefore, the second option is wrong. Now, what is relation between velocity and light in air and velocity of light in medium? So, C air by C medium. So, C medium is Ca by mu. Therefore, velocity decreases by a factor of mu. So, its speed decreases. This is wrong. Speed cannot increase. Then, mu in terms of wavelength, lambda air by lambda medium, or lambda medium is lambda a by mu. So, wavelength decreases by a factor of mu. So, the correct options are A and C. So, the correct options for this question are A and